Hi, today I'm talking with Jack, who is one of our bioinformaticians here at Fios, about a new app he has built for the Scottish Government COVID data visualisation.
Hi, my name's Jack Sleight. So I completed my undergraduate degree at the University of Strathclyde, where I studied biochemistry and pharmacology. And then I did a master's at the University of Glasgow, which I completed last year. And then I joined Fios straight after my master's. So I've been here for about 9 months or so now.
So tell us a bit about your app, what's its purpose and its functionality.
So the app's written in R using a package called Shiny, which allows you to create quite sophisticated web applications pretty easily, and also allow to incorporate a lot of like the statistical and visualizations tool that are provided by other packages in R. So the main idea of the app is to allow users to look at the public data that's released every single day by the Scottish Government. And then there's some neat visualizations you can look at, which sort of try to summarize the data. So the data is kind of like, it's split into national and regional data sets. So the national data includes like cumulative cases across the whole of Scotland, cumulative and daily deaths across the whole of Scotland. And then you have that data split up into each NHS regional board as well.
Okay.
So there's like some maps and stuff where you can look at to see like cases across the whole of the country.
That's cool. So how did you come up with the idea for the app?
So basically, as I suspect most of us are doing, we watch the daily briefings every single day that are released by the government, and we see the visualizations that they make and the plots and the statistics that they make. And I knew that they released the data and made it public to everybody. So I just thought it would be quite interesting and a good exercise to actually look into the data sets to see if there was anything else that was interesting in it, and then also try to make something that's easy for people to use and quite simple and makes people a little bit more interested in how the pandemic's unfolding.
Fair enough. What were the main challenges for you for building the app?
So the main challenge was I've dabbled in using R Shiny a little bit before, but this was the first time I used like a full-blown Shiny app. So most of the time spent was just learning about how the package works and how to build quite sophisticated apps with it. And then the second biggest challenge was just dealing with the data sets released by the government. So they come in like 2 Excel spreadsheets, and I think they're manually imputed every single day when the data comes in every single day. So sometimes there can be, typos and formatting errors, different column headings, that kind of thing. So most of the code within my app actually just is spent just dealing with that. And the actual plotting stuff is quite straightforward. So I tried to spend, because of the problems with the Excel spreadsheets, I tried to spend 10, 15 minutes every single day just to make sure that they're still working and they're still doing what I think they should be doing. So those are probably the 2 biggest challenges.
Well, thank you very much for telling us about your app, Jack. And if you would like to get access to the app, we are including a link in all our posts as well.